guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our vlog. And here we are on day number 1 of a, how long?
Long old trip.
22-hour trip in a Mazda Miata. That's why we're real close in here. It's kind of like our Razor. But
Yay.
We've got a good journey before us. Today we are going to see Jody's doctor in Dallas. Get an update there. And so we'll make a pit stop and then we'll keep our journey going. But beautiful sunrise today. Let's see if I can get you turned around here.
So pretty. Texas sunrise.
Texas sunrise, absolutely gorgeous in our Mazda Miata. We are nice and close in here because we don't have a whole lot of space. But it's going to be a wonderful time. So stay with us. We're going to make a stop here shortly. I'm already craving coffee. You guys can understand, but it's that time, so stay with us. All right, first pit stop and the best one, coffee
and food.
And food. Yes, so here we are back on the journey. Gonna have a good old breakfast burrito from Mickey D's and get back on the road.
Yay!
Okay, so challenge number 1. Eating in a Mazda Miata is a little bit more difficult than in the big truck.
Yes, it's a little bit of an adventure because you have 2 cup holders that are, you know, obviously strategically but awkwardly placed in the car. And then there's nowhere to set the food. It's on the passenger. So if you're going to travel in a Mazda Miata, make sure you plan time to stop and eat.
Yeah.
Right now we don't, but we will later.
Yes, our next meal will be sitting down in wherever we eat. But also one of the challenges is the sun. You see the little shadow. That's all you get is this little bitty visor because it is a little bitty car. I mean, literally, if I raise my finger, I'm touching the glass. So it's
there's not room for another visor, but it doesn't suffice for the sun because it's bright
yes.
right now.
It's a fun little car. Love it. But challenge number 1 is eating in this car. So keep it interesting.
Yep.
Well, Jody, it looks like we made it to Fort Worth
Yes, we did.
because traffic. Going a whole 4.5 miles an hour. But we're making our way through progress here. So, woohoo! Made it to Fort Worth,
Yay!
Cowtown.
Beautiful sign we found.
Yes, take a look at that sign. Wow. Beautiful. Hand-painted mural by Brad Smith and Kay Ray. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous car. Gorgeous sign. Gorgeous girl. Woo woo. So here we are in Fort Worth. About ready to walk in at Jody's appointment. Stay with us. We're going to give you an update.
Okay, well, we just got out of the prosthodontist's office and he said the bite looks good. He says he wants it to wear down a little bit longer so that he can get a better prosthetic when he does the permanent one. The next time they'll take it out, measure it, do all the scans so he can make the other one based on my bite, because this one wears a little bit so that he can see exactly what's necessary. Super excited I get to keep my teeth. Of course, nightmares about not, losing teeth again. So I'm grateful.
Yeah, so great news today. Praise God. We're 2 years and a few months into this journey, and you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And God has been so good, and His faithfulness has overwhelmed us, and we are so blessed. And we thank each and every one of you for joining us on this adventure. So we're going to continue to head east and get out in our little meep, but we leave here with great joy and great anticipation. So let's continue this journey, Jody.
Yay!
All right, it's time for a stomach fuel break. And we're gonna go to one of our favorite places of all times.
Buc-ee's!
Woot woot, Buc-ee's. Yay, yay. We'll get in here and get some fuel for the belly. And
park so we can walk.
Yeah, we like to make a walk, so we'll just go right in here. And we just got passed by a huge amount of police cars. So
And emergency vehicles, so
Yeah,
we
so-
don't know what's going on up ahead.
good time to take a break, Jody. All right, Jody, making the walk into Buc-ee's, and this place is crazy. It's just hundreds of fuel pumps, and but one of the things we love about Buc-ee's is they're great people. First of all, the owner of Buc-ee's has made a commitment to help grow God's kingdom, and so that's amazing to us, and we want to support people like that. So Buc-ee's is not only a wonderful place, but wonderful ownership, wonderful people, and of course the restrooms are clean. You guys all know that, but the best part is the food, the restrooms, the gas stations, but ultimately the best part is they love Jesus, and we do too. So now the hardest part about Buc-ee's is the volume. Normally this place is insane. So you can already smell everything as we're walking in. Smell-o-vision.
Really good.
Amazing t-shirts right as you walk in. It's like a shopping mall, gas station, restaurant, bakery,
All the yummy things.
all the yummy things. So if you've not experienced Buc-ee's, you gotta come check out Buc-ee's.
Yeah, it's a trip for your five senses, all of them.
Yeah, it's a trip for all your senses, that's for sure. But yeah, check out the food. Oh my gosh, I wish you had smell-o-vision, Jody. Oh my goodness, they're putting a tortilla factory in here now. I just saw that. Buc-ee tortillas. They got fudge. Oh my goodness, they got roasted nuts. They got a bakery. And of course, amazing barbecue. And rows of fountain drinks.
And they have rows and rows of beef jerky, rows and rows of
You name it,
nuts.
they got
have
it.
Rows and rows of the chewy, soft gummy candy.
Well, let's take a pit stop. We can't take the camera over. And my favorite part of Buc-ee's is the drinks. See, you hear me say my favorite all the time. There's so many good things in here, but their unsweet tea is the bomb. So we're gonna refill our, like I said, our fuel, our bellies. Oops, I just made a mess. And I don't want to do that. So, all right, so now let's go over here and get a straw somewhere here. Here's the straws. That's a coffee stir stick. I don't need that. I need a real straw. Real straw. Well, let's go find a straw. Oh, here it is, Jody. The cranberry pecan. This stuff is so good. Cranberry pecan.
Got it?
Got
Is that
it.
a lot of cranberries?
Let's see. I get the one with most berries. This one looks good though.
Okay. Got
That
it.
look good?
Yep.
Are you ready for a sweet treat?
Yes.
All right. So where are we going here?
I want to look at the bakery case.
Yes. Let's check out this bakery cake. This place is crazy. Look at all that beef jerky. Rows and rows of beef jerky. Traffic jam.
Yeah, you can have it.
Oh, check this out. Oh, cinnamon rolls,
I was thinking about a
cookies.
cinnamon roll.
Oh, the whoopie pies. Look at that. Holy cow. Rows and rows of whoopie pies. What do you want, Jody? Those pecan bars. Holy cow, Jody.
Cinnamon roll.
Giant cinnamon roll. She can't have the ones
And
with
they
nuts
heated
yet.
it. They heated it up.
Oh, it's already heated and warmed.
Yes.
But oh my goodness, look at that cinnamon roll, pecan bar, those cookies. And let me tell you, them cookies are the bomb. But have to get some grandbaby clothes.
Oh, yes.
Oh my goodness, should we get Helen a beaver? Not yet.
Not yet.
All right, let's go to the checkout. Holy cow, Jody.
That place is so overwhelming. You have to know what you want before you get in there, or you get so confused.
Hey, thanks, bro. It's awesome, isn't it?
It's a cool.
It is awesome. We use it for our YouTube channel all the time.
I make motorcycle videos.
Oh, do you really?
Oh,
Are you on
yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah, I'm kind of, but I'm mainly like starting on Instagram.
Do you mind if I turn around here on you?
That's fine.
Okay, so what's your YouTube channel?
Well, I'm not gonna say the YouTube
Or
channel
Instagram.
because I do stuff on motorcycles that I probably shouldn't be doing.
Oh,
So
wow.
I don't want to say and show my face.
Okay.
But yeah, I make a lot of cool stuff, but I'm getting there. I'm growing.
Well,
What do you guys do?
well, we're Sam and Jody. That's actually what it's called, Sam and Jody.
Sam and Jody.
So check us out.
I'll look it up.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
We
Y'all have
have
a good
razor
day.
stuff. We have all sorts
Just
of
life.
stuff on there.
Just life. Yeah.
Miata.
Okay, awesome stop there. Just meeting people along the way. Love it.
You never know who you're gonna meet, especially holding a camera. Who knows?
Yeah, but we got the great compliment. Oh, are y'all retired? Yes. No. But I guess we're at that age level. So, but that's awesome. We love it. We love it, and we love you guys. And make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us on our adventure. This video is not over yet. We're gonna keep going here, and but the things that you see at Buc-ee's, holy cow! I'm gonna turn this around here. There is a crazy deer stand.
Yeah.
That deer stand is like, wow.
Yeah. Very cool.
Cool deer stand, but we're gonna get back on the road. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, Jody, back on the highway.
Woohoo!
On our way to the East Coast. We've done 386 miles in a Mazda Miata. Getting about 35 miles a gallon. Woohoo!
Time for a snack.
All right, snack time.